get mobile recharge?
Yes, sir. I like to get mobile recharge. Have a seat.
Do you like to get poor help?
Helped poor. तुमने वीडियो क्या बोलेंगे?
I am getting your point.
चलिए, मैं मोबाइल रिचार्ज करवा रहा हूँ।
I am getting mobile recharge.
क्या बोलेंगे?
I am getting mobile recharge.
मैंने कहा मैं बाइक रिपेयर करवा रहा हूँ।
I am getting bike repaired.
आई एम गेटिंग बाइक रिपेयर्ड। क्या बोलेंगे?
I am getting bike repaired.
मैं कपड़े धुलवा रहा हूँ।
I am getting cloth washed.
आई एम गेटिंग क्लॉथ वॉश। क्या बोलेंगे?
I am getting cloth washed.
और मैंने कपड़े धुलवा लिए। आई गॉट क्लॉथ वॉश। क्या बोलेंगे?
I got cloth washed.
मैंने मोबाइल रिचार्ज करवा लिया।
I got mobile recharge.
आई गॉट मोबाइल रिचार्ज। क्या बोलेंगे?
I got mobile recharge.
मैंने क्लास पढ़वा ली।
I got class taught.
इज दैट क्लियर?
It's clear.
तो मैं क्लास पढ़वाता हूँ।
I get class taught.
मैं जूते पॉलिश करवाता हूँ।
I get shoes polished.
आई गेट शूज पॉलिश।
Polish.
क्या बोलेंगे?
I get shoes polished.
मैं सीट रिजर्व करवाता हूँ।
I get seat reserved.
मैं बाइक सर्विस करवाता हूँ।
I get bike serviced.
आई गेट बाइक सर्विस। क्या बोलेंगे?
I get bike service.
मैंने कहा कि मैं नेल पॉलिश अप्लाई करवाता हूँ।
I get nail polish applied.
आई गेट नेल पॉलिश अप्लाइड। क्या बोलेंगे?
I'll get nail polish applied.
मैं बाल कटवाता हूँ।
I get haircut.
मैं दाढ़ी ट्रिम करवाता हूँ।
I get beard trimmed.
आई गेट बियर्ड ट्रिम। क्या बोलेंगे? मुझे बियर्ड ट्रिम करवाना पसंद है।
I like to get beard trimmed.
मुझे जूते पॉलिश करवाना पसंद है।
I get this polish.
इज दैट क्लियर?
It's clear.
मैंने कहा कि मुझे कपड़े धुलवाना पसंद है।
I like to get cloth washed.
मुझे सीट बुक करवाना पसंद है।
I like to get seat booked.
आई लाइक टू गेट सीट बुक। क्या बोलेंगे?
I like to get seat booked.
पसंद क्या करना? करवाना। लाइक टू गेट
Get
इट
done.
डन। वापस आइए।
Come back.
कम बैक। क्या बोलेंगे?
Come back.
मैंने कहा कि मुझे कपड़े धुलवाने पसंद हैं।
I like to get cloth washed.
आई लाइक टू गेट क्लॉथ वॉश। क्या बोलेंगे?
I like to get cloth washed.
मुझे इंग्लिश पढ़वाना पसंद है।
I like to get English taught.
आई लाइक टू गेट क्लास इंग्लिश टॉट। क्या बोलेंगे?
I like to
आई
get
लाइक
English
टू
taught.
गेट इंग्लिश टॉट। क्या बोलेंगे?
I like to get English taught.
मैं इंग्लिश पढ़वाना चाहता हूँ।
I wanna get English
आई
taught.
वाना गेट इंग्लिश
English
टॉट।
taught.
क्या बोलेंगे?
I wanna get English taught.
मैं नए कपड़े सिलवाना चाहता हूँ।
I wanna get new cloth stitched.
आई वाना गेट न्यू
New
क्लॉथ
cloth
स्टिच।
stitched.
क्या बोलेंगे?
I wanna get new cloth stitched.
मैं एक शॉप खुलवाना चाहता हूँ।
I wanna get new
शॉप
shop
ओपन। क्या बोलेंगे?
I wanna get new shop opened.
मैं इंग्लिश पढ़वाना चाहता हूँ।
I wanna get English taught.
इज दैट क्लियर?
It's clear.
आर यू श्योर?
I am sure.
तो मैं इंग्लिश पढ़वाऊंगा।
I get English taught.
मैं जूते पॉलिश करवाऊंगा।
I get shoes polished.
मैं टिकट हाँ टिकट नहीं टिकट
कटवाऊंगा.
कटवाऊंगा। क्या बोल?
I get
टिकट
ticket
कट। कुछ भी बोल सकते हो। मैं बाल कटवाऊंगा।
I get haircut.
मैं दाढ़ी ट्रिम करवाऊंगा।
I get beard trimmed.
I'll get beard trim। क्या बोलेंगे?
I'll get beard trimmed.
मैं मोबाइल रिचार्ज करवाऊंगा।
I'll get mobile recharged.
I'll get मोबाइल रिचार्ज। क्या बोलेंगे?
I'll get mobile recharged.
Is that clear?
It's clear.
Are you sure?
I am sure.
I am.
Good morning. How are you doing? It's good. Today I am discuss about my view politics of our country. India is a democratic country. India is our democratic country. The politics leaders and parties in India come into power by voting system. Indian citizens above the age of 18 years acquire the right to the vote, elect their leaders. However, although it is a government to the people, by the people, and for the people, the common man still suffers a great deal. This is because there is a lot of corruption within the political system of our country. Most of our political leaders are known as corrupt. Thank you.
Respected sir and all my dear friends, how are
Good morning,
you?
sir.
How are you?
I'm very good. What about you?
I am so. First of all, thank you, sir, for giving me this golden opportunity to present a short speech in front of you. Shall I start? My topic is mobile. Mobile. Nowadays, mobile become a very useful part of our life. Mobile phone is often also called cellular phone. It is a device mainly used for making voice calls. Mobile phones are available in various shapes and size, having different functions. Nowadays, by the help of technological advancement, we can easily contact with anyone across the globe by moving our fingers. Mobile contains various functions, and mobiles having different functions like video calling, voice calling, emails, photographies, video games, and etc. Hence, nowadays it is also called a smartphone. Like every device, mobile also has its pros and cons, which are as follows. First one is keep us connected. Second one is entertainment for all. Third one is day-to-day communicating. Fourth one is wasting of time. Fifth one is wasting of money. And sixth one is mobile banking. It is very useful for us. A mobile should be both positive or negative. Depend on us how we use it. So nowadays, if mobile become a very useful part of our life, so we can use it in a proper way. That's why our life is good. Thank you for listening me and joining me. May I leave? Thank you.
Hello everyone.
Hello, ma'am.
A very good morning, respected sir and my all friends. How is everything? I'm fantastic. First of all, I would like to thank all of you for giving me this opportunity to discuss of social issues. Let me tell you about the dowry system. By all, shall I start?
By all means.
Today I am here. Today I am here to speak on social issues of dowry system. Dowry system is a curse for society. The middle class family is hardly hit by it. The dowry system is an age old activity of transferring some wealth of the father to the daughter at time her marriage. This system has been for a long time in India. That I believe that the dowry system is the greatest curse of Indian society, demanding cash, jewelry, and costly item like as refrigerator, television, mobile, iPhone, and washing machine, and valuable are still are still valuable are still most common in different parts of India by by during during groom bride marriage. This system found is in both rich and poor. A marriage life that starts a marriage life that start which a married life that start with such a business deal can never be happy. Therefore, it is high take time to effective steps against social evils. So, friends, try to explain of people because this system everything is father of the is sold. So at last I would like just a four line says Hindi. Can I speak?
By all means.
दिया जो खंजर जमाने ने दिया जो खंजर जमाने ने हमको इस दर्द सितम को कुछ यूं भुलाया जाए कि दिया जो खंजर जमाने ने हमको इस दर्द सितम को कुछ यूं भुलाया जाए विदा किया कैसे सीता को अपनी जनक ने विदा किया कैसे अपनी सीता को जनक ने वो मंजर दुनिया को कुछ यूं दिखाया जाए वो मंजर दुनिया को कुछ यूं दिखाया जाए और क्यों थमसा जाता है वो पिता अपनी बेटी को देखकर, कि क्यों थमसा जाता है वो पिता अपनी बेटी को देखकर, उसके सीने से इस डर को कुछ यूं हटाया जाए, उसके सीने से इस डर को कुछ यूं हटाया जाए। और कब तक चलेगी यूं रस्में दहेज की, और कब तक चलेगी यूं रस्में दहेज की, और कब तक चलेगी यूं रस्में दहेज की। आओ सब मिलकर इस रस्म को हटाया जाए, आओ सब मिलकर इस रस्म को हटाया जाए।
वेरी
कि बड़ी
फैंटास्टिक लाइन्स,
कि बड़ी
रियली।
फुर्सत से बनाया है खुदा ने इस जहान को, कि बड़ी फुर्सत से बनाया है खुदा ने इस जहान को, बेहतर बना इसे इंसान, इंसान का फर्ज निभाया जाए, बेहतर बना इसे इंसान, इंसान का फर्ज निभाया जाए। That's all. Thank you for listening me.
मजा आ गई,
Thank you
मजा।
for joining me. May I leave?
By all means,
Thank you, sir.
fantastic.
I discuss about great Mahatma Gandhi.
Yes.
Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, known as Mahatma Gandhi. He was a great India's leader who nationalist established India's freedom through a non-violent revolution. Mahatma Gandhi was born on October 2, 1869 in the town of Porbandar in the state of Gujarat. Mahatma Gandhi went to England 1893. He met a great English socialist and nationalist. Mahatma Gandhi came India 1915. He started revolution Champaran in Bihar. Mahatma Gandhi was a great leader who said do or die. Mahatma Gandhi start असहयोग आंदोलन 1920. Mahatma Gandhi dead Nathuram Godse 30 January 1948. Thanks for listening me. Thanks for joining me. May I leave?
By all means. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, everyone. How are you doing? I'm as usual. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity. Today, I'm speak on the topic social media. The reason I choose this topic because of the growing popularity of social media. So, the first question is what is social media, right?
Yes.
So social media is a website or application that allow people to contact with each other. One can share information, photos, videos, and the another can like, share, comment on the content shared by others. As well, all know that social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and WhatsApp are gaining importance these days, as they are connecting people worldwide to just click of a button, right? So second thing is his advantage. So social media has a very virtual role play in our life. It is also have informations and providing education. For example, children approach their studies to help of social media. It it has been a great device for education. Children's it has possible to make live education at at the time. So children use social media very much, but we all know that it has too much disadvantage. So it is known as the one of the harmful environment of the society. Social media, sometimes social media create some fake news to spread the students So it is depends to us how we use it. So use it wisely. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for listening me. Shall I go?
All the best. Start.
Hello everyone. Hello. What are you doing? I'm fantastic. So today I am discussed politics of India. So I'm embark my this topic. So please attention. The political the political system in India under the constitution in India and function under the constitution. The political system is a mixture of good and bad experience. The political system is a the political system is a grateful the poly, the grateful the the process of the process of the process of the election is the
नो इश्यू लो मैंने इसे बंद कर अब छोड़ो छोड़ो छोड़ो
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
How are you doing? I'm fantastic. First of all, we can say that thank you so much for giving me a golden chance. Let me introduce myself. I am Sonali Sharma. My name means gold. Anyone calls me Sona with love. I daughter of Mr. Jagdeep Kumar Sharma. He is a businessman and the best father for me. My mother name is Mrs. Neelam Sharma. She is a housewife and the best mom. Actually, God has given a gift in their form of these two. I love so much them and I will enlighten the parents' name. Uh, Everybody some hobbies. So my hobbies are reading books, listening music, speaking English like Akhil sir. I want to like Via Watch. Do you know why I want to like Via Watch?
Yeah.
Please.
We want to know.
So because time, yeah, it reminds me time does not have enough time to wait for you. My aim is I want to become an IS officer. uh, I pray to God my fulfill my ambition. Do you know why I want to become an IS officer?
Yeah.
Because it's two reasons. First reason, 20% lives are lost because the ambulance does not reach on the time. I believe that when pizza and burger come on time, why not ambulance?
Very good job, beta.
Second-
Why not ambulance?
Second reason, killing of innocent like animals, birds, etc. I believe that neither we have to give in life to anyone, then nor we have to the right to take away in our life. So because of all this, I want to become an IS officer. Finally, I end my speech. A great feeling of mine. My life is my message. Thank you so much for listening me and joining me. Bye all.
good morning. Good morning, ma'am. What are you doing? I'm fantastic. Today I'm discussed the Indian politics of India. So I start. The politics of the politics system is a function of under the constitution. The formation of the successful government is possible here, not uh, here only in politics of in India, and the process of election. The first general election in India was held in 1951 after independence. There are is a many political parties. There are many political parties in India. Political parties are recognized by election like BJP, SP, AAP, etc., whose domestic effect Indian politician, and the political is a mixture of good and bad experience. The political is a complex game of snack and leader, involves making a which involves making a ga- which involves making a friendship and enemies time. The politics is a prime minister based The politics is a prime minister based which power prime minister based which power and with power with in with state and in state and central government. And the last is the government is the India is the largest democracy in the world. And my I like is I like and I like is party is up. And India is the largest India is the largest sorry India's largest party is RSS. And I'm complete my discussion. So I am sign out.